Monthly Param Nivedan for 2024 June to be successful with the power and grace of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 1 to 8. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charanam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो, सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करता हूँ। पप्रवा 9. परम जी, please empower this monthly Param Nivedan with your divine power so that June becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Bestow me more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry, and work. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decrease. I will use the money in righteous way and also to spread P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become wealthier, progress in business, I am and will remain humble before Paramji and all P3Y Kartas and will also spare some time for P3Y. May chartered accountants etc. remain in my favor. I will attend Income Enhancement P3Y class on Thursday. In June, may my development in material aspects of life becomes faster. I achieve all my goals and my hampered work gets through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papr and the Papr I make others to do during this month gets fulfilled. Bestow me with fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent P3Y Pracharak and will find the devotees of Paramji. I will offer Good Luck Papr Card GLPC to maximum people in my area for 1 to 10 hours in a week under Mission Samriddhi by P3Y Shakti. I will report to Dr. Ajit about my P3Y Prachar work on every Wednesday and on the last day of the month. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be good harvest, quality and production of milk in the cattle would increase. I will tell businessmen that by P3Y Shakti, your business will increase and there will be less effect of recession. Give me courage to spread P3Y in unknown people. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect P3Y and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from P3Y class. I am an honest, obedient, brave P3Y Karta and will strive to make others as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this month, June, the season of spring. Increase my immunity power. May I don't have headache, heat stroke, malaria, diarrhea, etc. If I become sick, may I be cured with Papr water. I will attend Disease Prevention P3Y class on the last Sunday of the month. Make my mind and intellect pleasant for me and P3Y. I will do Param Yog daily, 3 times routine Param Yog and 3 or more times special Param Yog. Give me good intellect. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Please help me to remove the weaknesses of my mind. May I get divine experiences in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work that I do. I will attend Paramji Dhyan class. Give intelligence to do logical prachar of P3Y in June. I will inform people that keep following your God and religion, but P3Y power will accomplish any stuck work. You will get relief in illness and income will increase. I will inform people to attend 7 a.m. 7 p.m. daily online and weekly online P3Y class on P3Y THF channel or other branch channels. I will offer Good Luck Papra card, will teach Papra Param Yog to people in distress in my country as well as abroad. I will keep telling the three Mahasutra, the great slogans of P3Y. 1. The truth. P3Y Shakti fulfills desires. There is no place in the world where P3Y doesn't work. 2. Eligible persons should be honest, obedient and brave. Be happy and make others happy. Keep attending P3Y class. Keep coming to Umargam. And 3. Jai Ghosh, Bina Prachar Nahi Uddhar. Without propagation, no salvation. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful and caring towards each other. May I not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memory for studies. May they get good marks in exams. Give me good intellect so that I impart good values, teach the truth and P3Y technique to my children. I will make them recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra Diksha. To increase prosperity in our family, I will take Param Lakshmi Mantra Diksha. I will read P3Y Garbh Gita. Bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitrudosh, Vastudosh and other related problems. Protect me and my family from hurdles such as all kind of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accompaniment, financial crisis, accidents, fire, earthquake, storm, flood, other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. I will tell people that whosoever will do the holy pilgrimage of Umargam, their Pitrudosh will be removed. Ancestors will get peace. May I do not face critical situations. If I face any, may I be able to overcome with P3Y power. Paramji has empowered Umargam as PDME place, Kumbh place. Whosoever will do the holy pilgrimage of Umargam P3Y center, their wishes will be fulfilled faster. True P3Y power seeker, hardcore P3Y Karta will continue to do this holy pilgrimage of Umargam as per the Adesh of Paramji alias His Holiness. I will attend Umargam PDME Yatra P3Y class June 16, Sunday, 9 a.m. I will stay in Umargam for a few days as per convenience for more benefits. I will inform on mobile number +91 8849 69887 before coming to Umargam P3Y Center. I will lovingly celebrate all P3Y festival classes mentioned in the P3Y calendar. I will attend Paramji Mahashakti Day and Masik Student P3Y class June 2, Masik Shivratri class June 4, Amas June 6, P3Y International Club Establishment Day, International Yoga Day and Vat Savitri P3Y class June 21. In the 2 to 3 minutes YouTube videos on P3Y question answer, Dr. Ajit has answered many queries. I will watch those videos. In May, Bhavin Kansara organized a good PDME P3Y Prachar Pad Yatra from Surat to Umargam. There was very good P3Y Prachar in Yatra. Amiksha Mata organized a good P3Y Prachar training in Umargam. Many P3Y Kartas took the Prachar training. I will also take inspiration from them and organize a P3Y Prachar Yatra in my area. At the end of May, Dr. Ajit is going to UK for P3Y Prachar tour. P3Y Kartas living in India and abroad can also organize a P3Y Prachar Yatra in their country. It will be beneficial. I offer my destiny of June to the holy feet of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. I will share this monthly Param Nivedan in one or more persons, will do good work, will serve P3Y Kartas, have respect for them and will have pleasant behavior towards all in this month. I will keep the P3Y center clean. I will obey Paramji Adesh. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful, humble and brave than I am at present. May I have better month with P3Y Shakti. If any serious problem occurs, I will contact Dr. Ajit on mobile number +91 81 607 11859 on WhatsApp. Paprava 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give money in whichever currency you earn, decide the amount on your own to Paramji alias His Holiness, or will offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will offer P3Y Good Luck Papra card to one new person. I will attend one online P3Y class. I will visit P3Y website p3ythf.com. I will send 1 to 2 minute video or audio about my miraculous P3Y experience through Facebook or WhatsApp. I will be annual member of monthly magazine P3Y Param Gyan. I offer this monthly Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji alias His Holiness.